Hello, Jim Tech Buzz. Today I'm going to give you a quick first look at the Instax Pal digital camera which just arrived, and you can see actual size on the box there. Colour milky white, and print photos on your Instax link printout with the sold separately. Of course, one of these here, which we've reviewed before. And you can connect with Bluetooth. And this pack contains one of each Instax Pal camera, multi-use detachable ring, dedicated product charging and cable, and user guide. So it's compact, so you can take photos anytime, anywhere, animate your world, create animations with photos and sequences, and pre-shutter sound. Choose the pre-shutter sound and start capturing the fun. So that's it there in the box, and as you can see it is small. So let's get it opened and have a look. So you've got an app on Google Play and you've got an app on iOS as well, which is cool. Right, and let's go. So as you can see, this is what it's going to look like inside, and it is a small camera. And what have we got in here? So we've got lots of booklets, and one tiny thick booklet, which you can read, which is pretty good. Normally small books of that with tiny writing. Now you've also got in here the ring there, so that's that. And in here we have got our cable, so it's USB A and USB C, and that's basically it there. Alright, so I'll just pop that back in, throw that back in there, and have a look at this little guy. So there we go. It is small indeed. Really small. So for comparison size, this is my Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's probably the same size that as width and depth, if you do that, to give you some kind of idea how small it is. And you can see a lot of stuff going on in there. You've got a button here, you've got left, you've got a switch here on the bottom, which will check out charging port here, and in here is another slot which I'll try and open. So you can put your micro SD card in there, and that's pretty much it. So you can see here when you switch this on, it changes colours. So that's your shutter sounds, and you've got a little flash there, which is pretty cool, and you've got a little small tripod kind of mount here if you want to use it in that kind of way. But yeah, it's tiny, it's like a little dash cam kind of thing, but looks really cool. Whoops, butterfingers. So you can share your photographs with your mini links there if you've got on you them, which you've tested out before. You've got remote shooting, interval shooting, and you've got Instax animation as well. You've link mode, so you can link directly to these other products. And you've got your multi-use detachable ring, which is cool. So you've also got the films as well. So we'll be checking these out as we go along. And you've seen all these before, these films, and how they work, which is good. It comes in 5 colours: milky white, powder pink, pistachio green, lavender blue, and gem black. And that's pretty much it. And looks really, really nice indeed. Really compact and small, which is kind of cool, and bigger than other cameras that you might have in your disposal. Most people say your best camera is the one you have on you, so be either your mobile phone, or now in this case you have this little guy here, which is kind of cool. And then you can print pictures later on or share them straight away, which is kind of cool. You can share them on social media as well if you wish to do so. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to take it off and test it for a while. So if you have any questions, do hit me up. We'll answer them down below as always. And stay tuned for a full review soon as we take this out for a test when the weather clears up, because it's looking bad for the next couple of days. So we'll have a go after that. We might take 1 or 2 pictures at home as well in the interim to get things moving. So talk to you soon. Any questions, drop them down below. We'll see you in the next one.